Is Free Fire dropping FPS, lagging, or working slowly on iPhone? Hi there, welcome to this video where I will quickly show you how to fix Free Fire dropping FPS, fading, or working slowly on your iPhone. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Configure the graphics settings. Open Free Fire, tap Settings, turn off Auto Download. From the browser section, tap Clear Cache, tap Confirm, tap the Display section, set your graphics settings to Standard. Select your high FPS to be normal. Tap Network. Enable optimization settings from here. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, find out Free Fire, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Free up storage. Try to delete some unused apps or games or any files from your iPhone. Once you have free storage on your iPhone, mostly your problem will be solved. Solution 4. Enable background app refresh. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, tap Background App Refresh again. Select Wi-Fi or mobile data. After following these steps, if you still have lagging or slowing issues for Free Fire or your iPhone, please ask me in the comments section. Thanks for watching.